Hey guys, Josh with MBA here. I got called out to do a pipe boot inspection. Got on site, as soon as I got the ladder, noticed that there were exposed nails where the nail line should be. The roof is 4 years old and they have leaks all over the place. Here's why. If you look at this install, again, 4 years old, you got nails backing out, coming through. We got staples through shingles. I mean, untrained eye can even see that these courses don't line up where they should be, and they're also pretty inconsistent. So what happens is you get nails that are left out like this. You got to seal these, replace the shingle, do something to stop water from getting past that depth of the leak. Shingles are great, material's great. The workmanship, who's putting the roof on, I cannot stress that enough. The importance of having a quality install job will make or break whether or not the roof lasts. So definitely vet your contractors. If you think you have leaks and problems, give us a call. We'll come out and do free inspections. We'll give you photos, videos, report as to what's going on and what your best solution would be.